Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have something a little bit different. We have a 2002 Toyota Celica. This is just a buddy of mine. He needs some work done, so I told him I'd do it for cheap. He needs a wheel bearing, wipers, oil change, and then I'm actually going to do a detail to it. I have the door locked, so I have to get around and show you. It's been sitting for about 2 years, not really had any cleanup or anything like that, so it's pretty dusty, dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it all up and clean it down, get a nice little detail. I'll show you guys a little bit of that. And as you can see here, his wiper's so bad, there's the rubber for it. So we got all that, we got new wipers. I'm just using Valvoline 5W20 for the oil, and then Mobile 1 extended. Here's your number M1103A for your oil filter for this car. And we just got some wipers there. Your passenger side is a 17-inch and 26-inch for the driver's side. Now this changes depending on what brand you get. Sometimes this will be a 16 instead of a 17. Sometimes this will be a 25 instead of a 26. But this is what it is for this type of car. But anyway, let's get started. So here's the first wiper. I was going to try to show you guys how to remove it, but as you can tell, it was so gauted on there it actually wouldn't come off. So I had to pry on it a little bit, but we got her. And I think he was definitely due for a new one. That's kind of jacked. But alright. What we're going to do is there's like a U. It's inside of here. Let's see if I can't pull it out a little bit for you. Just like that. So we're just going to put that around our hoop. Just like so. And then all we're going to do is pull it towards us. Now it's time to go ahead and change the oil. Alright, so there's many tools of choice for changing your filter. This is mine.